Have you ever wondered which bank YouTrip, that popular travel card, is actually under in Singapore? It's a question that's popped up in many people's minds, especially those who are planning trips or looking to optimize their travel finances. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the mystery and uncover the truth behind YouTrip's banking affiliation. Let's start with a little game. Think about the big banks in Singapore: DBS, OCBC, UOB, HSBC, and the like. Now, which one do you think YouTrip is associated with? Take a moment to guess. Before we reveal the answer, let's understand a bit more about YouTrip. It's a multi-currency travel card that allows you to spend in over 50 currencies at interbank exchange rates. It's gained popularity due to its convenience, low fees, and ability to avoid foreign transaction fees. But the question remains, who's behind the scenes, powering this innovative financial product? So, drumroll please. YouTrip is actually not under any of the major banks in Singapore. That's right, it's an independent financial technology company, operating as an e-money issuer. This means it's regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, but it's not directly affiliated with any particular bank. Why is this important? Understanding YouTrip's independent status is crucial for several reasons. Financial stability. While YouTrip is not backed by a major bank, it's still regulated by the MAS, ensuring a certain level of financial stability and consumer protection. Innovation. As an independent company, YouTrip has more flexibility to innovate and introduce new features and services that might not be possible if it were tied to a traditional bank. Customer service. YouTrip can tailor its customer service and support specifically to its travel card users, without having to worry about aligning with a broader bank's customer base. The benefits of YouTrip. Now that we know YouTrip's independent status, let's recap some of the key benefits it offers. Multi-currency spending. Easily convert and spend in over 50 currencies without incurring hefty foreign transaction fees. Interbank exchange rates. Get competitive exchange rates, often better than what you'd find at traditional banks. Low fees. Enjoy minimal fees for card issuance, monthly maintenance, and foreign currency conversions. Convenience. Manage your spending through a user-friendly mobile app and enjoy contactless payments. So, there you have it. YouTrip, the popular travel card, is not affiliated with any of the major banks in Singapore. It's an independent e-money issuer, regulated by the MAS. This independence allows YouTrip to offer a unique and innovative product tailored to the needs of travelers. If you're planning a trip and looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances, YouTrip is definitely worth considering. With its multi-currency capabilities, competitive exchange rates, and low fees, it can help you make the most of your travels. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about YouTrip or travel finance in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy travels.